Greetings, YouTube. How is everybody doing out there today? We're at the Hoover Dam here today, guys, and this place is pretty. It's something different, guys. It's something different. And I'm gonna take you over here, and we're gonna walk the dam and look down in there, see what's going on. So hang on, guys. Here's some history on the Hoover Dam, guys. I'm sure if any of y'all interested, you can look up some of the history on the Hoover Dam. And it goes way down in there, guys. It goes way over there. By following the wheel of time around the back of the monument, you will locate Vega. Guys, that concrete still, I know that concrete's old, but it still looks good. Still looks good. See right down in there. This thing is just amazing, guys. That'd be one heck of a slide, boy. Man, that'd be one heck of a slide. I don't know what they're building over here. They got these, well, like angels or something. I don't know. They built something over there. Guys, if some of these rocks ever broke loose, look out. Look out. Tell you what's wild, guys. They got a cutout right there. There's some kind of building in there. But man, I wonder how in the heck they get down in there. I'm sure they carved a mountain out somehow to get down in there. Man, guys, this is something else. And like I said, this concrete, guys, is old. And it looks like they just poured it not that long ago. Maybe 10, 12 years ago. But man, it's something else, guys. Something you got to put on your bucket list. The bathroom, guys, is inside this.
Gotta call Dory.
This is the bathroom. It's wild. Here's another angle. Man, that would be one heck of a slide. It's hard to believe they dammed this up just to use the water to spin the turbines and power things. They basically dug this out of the mountains, guys. We're up here in the Rocky Mountains, Nevada. Wow, look at that tower, guys. I think that's the Colorado River. I don't know what the heck down there. It looks black. Looks black. There's a good ways down there, guys. I'm saying that's got to be at least 13, 14 stories down. Guys, these pictures don't do it justice. You had to see it for yourself. From what I understand, you see that whiteness. I think that because the river's so low, that's where it's supposed to be. I could be wrong, but that's what I thought I heard. Where it's white is where it should be, but it's so low right now that it's down. More of these big towers. Looks like there's an observation deck up there. It's about the center of the place. See those towers, man. There's 4 of them out here. Looks like there's somebody in a boat out there. I'm not 100%, guys, or it's a buoy or something. I'm not 100%. But man, guys, this is so beautiful. It's peaceful too. If you guys ever come out here to Nevada, you got to come out here in January. It's only like 60 degrees out here. Yeah, they got bad weather, but not today. Then this is the other side over there. I see a helicopter up there. I don't know if you can take a helicopter tour or something. I have no idea. But man, this thing it's just cool. Something you got to put on your bucket list. There's that giant slide. Man, it's just wild how they look like that right there. Looks new over there. Some kind of road they built to come drive down through here. But man, this thing is nice, guys. And they got a bigger bridge up there. I guess that's the old way or the new way. There's another helicopter up there. Yeah, they definitely got vehicles down there. I see some cars down there. Let's see if I can zoom in. They got cars parked down there. I bet that's cool how they tunneled out that mountain. Man, it's just beautiful, guys. It's just something else. See them. I don't know if they carved this out, guys, and they just built all that down there. I definitely know they carved out the tunnels to drive through. But let's go on the other side of the street. For those of you who don't know, guys, this is the Arizona side. And that over there is the Nevada side. And now I'm in the state of Arizona. And there's a big fish down there. Big old fish. I don't know what kind it is. Can't see it from way up here, but there's a big fish down there, guys. So this is the Arizona side. Now I'm getting ready to head back into Nevada. A lot of concrete went into this place, guys. A lot of concrete. There's a big old turtle down there in the water. Let me see if I can see under the bridge. Yeah. I can't see under there. I can't see under there. So I guess it goes down a little bit. Alright guys, now I'm back in Nevada. So there's some big fish down there, guys. Big fish. Alright guys. Well guys, this concludes the video here. The Hoover Dam. It's something you got to put on your bucket list. You got to see this. It's so amazing, guys. So amazing. It's just see the ingenuity that they did, and they didn't have all the modern day equipment like we got today, and I'm sure a lot of people or some people lost their lives building this place, but it's definitely something different. Definitely something different, guys. So well guys, like, share, subscribe, share it to your social media if you don't mind, and I will holler at you the next time, guys. Comment down below. Bye bye.